So actually I went to the wrong place. I'm going second time because the weather was good. I want to see the falls because I don't want to come one more time again over here. So this time I'm going with a guide. So hopefully I'll get the falls. Let's see. So round 2, going with a guide. Looks like the same way. Let's see how it goes. Now I came to know where I made a mistake. Either way, when you go for some exploration, you will do a lot of mistakes. You will learn a lot of things also. It is all part of the game. Okay, from here, still the same. I went this side for a picnic ground, but the falls is this side. You didn't put a sign for waterfalls this side.
Yeah.
That is a picnic ground. This is waterfalls. That is where I made a mistake. Can't believe this thing. Wow, there's a poster there. I can see the poster. Right. Cottage rental, 150 pesos. Environment fee, 10 pesos per head. Okay. So this looks like a different river. It's not the same river. So the Gabaldon Falls, you have an orange flag as a sign. Wow. Yeah, close by. It's about revealing. There. Okay. I completely drained down the energy. Seriously, my watch saying well done. Wow. Wow. Really is a pause. Beautiful. Look at it. Beautiful. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Alright, we came this far. We should take a bath and jump over there. Let's see. Wow. It's an interesting looking tree. Seriously. How is that? Beautiful. Right. Woo. Woo-hoo. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. It's cold. Very cold. Wow. Very, very cold. Wow. Very cold. Wow. Very cold. Seriously cold. The diesel from the waterfalls cover the lens, so the footage won't be nice. I'm going second time. Wow! Look at that! Come on! Nobody! Nobody! Wow! Yeah! Beautiful! Seriously beautiful! Very cold. Very, very cold. I highly recommend for everyone. This place, little bit hard to come over here, but it's completely worth it. Look at the place. Beautiful. That is a picnic ground. This is the Gabaldon Falls. So I'm really happy I used a guide to find this place. I'm really satisfied. I highly recommend for everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Mwah.